to my video. This is the window shade that we are going to fix or to change, because this already been broken down by the winds and by the many tackings that had come. So here we are at the home center. We will going to gather materials that we are going to use in our do-it-yourself reformation. This is the best part that I like in this home center, the garden section. It's so beautiful. There are so many flowers, so many plants, and so many ideas in gardening. And here we are looking here the stuffs that we need. The fence, we are looking for the fence. That is the idea that comes to our mind, the one that we want to use as our material. Here are the maybe garden stuffs. We are looking here at the garden section because we are looking for stuffs that is strong enough against waters and rains, so we need outdoor stuffs. And this kind of fence is good. Actually, this is a plastic, and we want that kind of plastic. There are also woods. Yeah, there's woods, the woods, and this other section, there is section that they are plastic and not woods. I like that. We already found what we are looking for, but my husband still analyzing and measuring many things and still can't decide if we really be using these materials. So while he is still deciding, I just go around looking for more, and I want to see these plants. They are beautiful, they are cute. I want them to be inside my home, but perhaps I'll buy this better. here at another section, the roof section. The fence, we decided to buy the white plastic fence. And here, we are looking for a roof. There are so many choices to make. Actually, we are not yet decided what to buy. And still deciding. There are so many choices. And this is what we decided to buy. White transparent plastic. And we also bought some boots. And this is so long, so we decided to use the cutting services of this home center. Of course, this is not free. You have to pay for every cut, for every piece that you have cut. Here it is. We are going to start the mission. And this is what we have bought. And we have to assemble them. We need drills, nails to assemble these stuffs. Of course, before we nailed it down, we need to use a drill that making a hole, because this is a hard plastic. It cannot be nailed down easily, so we have to put some hole before we nail it. And before we finally nailed together the another stuff to another stuff, we use this glue to make the connection more stronger. So it is the nailing. And for the meantime, I'll end up my video at this point, and please subscribe, like, and hit the button bell so you'll be notified for my next video for the part 2 of this DIY. So my next video, you will see how this stops work, and we will see the before and after. See you. Mega love shout out Adechan circle. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mata ne!